Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to go through this Land Rover 2017 from 2013 all the way to 2022. They're all the same. All we are getting in this case is so if we turn the vehicle on, if we pull the handbrake down, the pads and should we say, I don't know if you've changed pads, disc, whatever, on rear or front, you will get this warning. Brake caliper requires calibration. And if we select the control unit and go into the ABS module, if I remember rightly, we get the fault codes of a few different things. So let's see if it's in this one. Yeah, so here it is. This is what we get. Now, to resolve this issue, I mean, the car runs and drives fine, but obviously it had been worked on previously, which we've fixed. And now this has come up. So the way to do it, I'm using the iCar Soft CR Max BT. In your case, you could be using the same, or Autel Launch, whatever it is, King Ball and whatnot. What we would say is come back out of this, go into the service function. Now, not all diagnostic machines will have this, so be aware if your diagnostic machine doesn't, then don't waste your time, get the correct one, or find someone who can do it. So you go into services. Let's turn the engine off. Turn the ignition on first thing, and once you're into the service, I mean, in your game it may be a different way of going into it, but this is the way. This is very identical to Autel, but far cheaper than Autel, there's no question. Once you're on the service section, you'd go into electronic parking. Okay, that's fine. Then it's just kind of giving us a pre-warning, which is fine. The terms and conditions, not a problem. Or final confirmation, fine. I like how it warns you. In other words, I've gone onto it on another way of so I've gone into the service section from the other part rather than through the auto VIN detect. So I'm doing it this way now. Let's do auto VIN detect, read. Okay. Once you're in here, calibrate electric park brake. That is what we need, guys. So you need to click on that, but obviously make sure the car's got powered up to something. I usually don't, to be fair, because I'm a bit naughty, but yep. So confirm the vehicle is in park and the park brake symbol is displayed. Yep, park brake is there, it is displayed. Hit OK. Make sure the vehicle is 12 plus. Yes, it is on there. Switch on ignition. Ignition is on. So we shall see if it works. If this doesn't work, it's released it. I felt the whole car just move and it's just turned it off. Park brake fault, which is fine, and we can see it's just trying to do its game. It says 24 seconds. If this doesn't work, then that means we have a faulty caliper and we need to change it, in other words, which will probably be that one damaged. But if it does work, then this is the way to do it, guys. Land Rovers are very, very sensitive cars, I'll be honest. They're not the best of the best. So the park brake is currently released. The park brake symbol will not be displayed on the instrument cluster. Next it will apply. Okay, let's go. Failed. So that kind of says it all. So it's most likely to do with the fault code here, which we are having trouble with anyway. So what we'll do, we will, obviously, if you're having that issue, this is the way to do it. It's 2 minutes, boom, done and dusted. In your case, if it's doing this, then it's a faulty caliper like it is in this game. So, as you can see, the reason it wasn't processing the whole procedure and it kept failing is because someone's already been at it, like it is. This is the rear right caliper. And you can see they've taped it up, tie wrapped it, and popped it there, which kind of shows that the caliper has packed in, and hence why we weren't able to finish the whole procedure of the calibration.